welcome to a brand new video. I'm sorry I didn't post one last week, but I was really busy. I had a lot of things going on, but I am here with my squishy collection video, and it's not that much, but it's a lot to me, so let's get into the video. Okay, so this bag is where I keep all my squishies, and I have my jumbos and my minis all in here. So I'm gonna separate the jumbos from the minis, which is not very different. There's a lot of jumbos. No, there's a lot of minis, so that's it. Okay, so I'm gonna do the minis first and then get to the bigger ones. They're not jumbos, but they're big. First one I pull out is this squishy bread with icing, and it's not that squishy, but it's a dang good squishy. So the next one I pull out is this weird faced heart squishy, How I Feel When I'm With You, and it's a bit slow rising. It's nice and squishy. The next one I pull out is this bun that's shaded purple. It has frosting on it, and it's not that squishy, but again, it's a dang good squishy that I got in a 20-piece packet. Next one I pull out is this pink shaded bun, and it has frosting on it also, and it's not that squishy, but it's okay. And next one I pull out is this panda bun, this mini panda bun with the red bow, and it's really slow rising. I love all my squishies that are mini and slow rising. Oh my god. Oh. The next one I pull out is this mini panda bun with its tongue out, and it's not that squishy, but well, it is squishy. But the one I pull out is this mini toast with cute face, and it's pretty squishy. It's slow rising too. Next one I pull out is this kind of like roll, I guess. It's kind of a toast and a roll at the same time. It has a cute face on it, and it's slow rising. Then next one I pull out is this one that I left in the packaging for some reason, but okay, is this bun with this face. Next one is this bun, and it doesn't have, oh, the thing, the hole is pushed in there too deep, but it has a bite out of it. It has a cute face, and it's pretty slow rising. This one I pull out is this donut shaded purple, and it has icing on it, and it's not that squishy, but it's okay. Then now, oh my god, these are so cute. Next one I pull out is this like little chick, and it's so cute. It has all the details and everything. It's so adorable, and it's really squishy. It's still rising. Oh, this one I pull out is this bun with a cute face, and it's shaded yellow, and it's not that squishy. Next one I have is this loaf, this mini loaf, and it's shaded yellow. It has a cute face on it, and it's slow rising. I mean, it's slow rising. Next one I pull out is this loaf, and it's shaded green with some chocolate frosting and sprinkles, and it's not that squishy, but it's okay. Okay, so next one is a mini panda bun, the regular one, and it's squishy. Next panda bun with a pink bow, and it's slow rising. Yeah, and then next one I pull out is this cat one with a cute face, and these are so cute and so squishy. And oh, the next one I pull out is this another chick, but it's green. Here, let me look how squishy that is. It's still rising. Oh my god, these are so cute. Next one is this kind of stress ball material, kind of bread thing. Oh, it's my favorite. The next one I pull out is this emoji bun with a ball chain, and it is so squishy. When I got it, I was like, oh. Okay, it's not that squishy, but you know, when I first got it, I was like, holy crap, that's squishy. Next one I pull out is this one still in the bag because it has a lot of sprinkles on it, but it's slow rising. It's pretty slow rising. The next one I pull out is a donut shaded yellow and it has white frosting on it. And it's not that squishy. Donut, this like cooler donut with sprinkles and frosting, and it's pretty squishy. Is another mini panda bun, same kind of one, and they have the same squishiness. So what I pull out is this cute kitty and with a cute face, and it's slow rising. Next one I pull out is this bun with a cute face on it, and it's pretty slow rising. What I pull out is this cat with a cute face on it, and it's pretty slow rising. And the next one I pull out is this one. It's like a little paw. It's so cute. Oh my god. And like when I got it, I was like, oh my god. Next I have this donut with a bite out of it and some green frosting, and it's pretty slow rising. I have is this pink bun with a dog with a beret, and it's pretty squishy. What I have is this loaf with a face on it, and it's pretty squishy. This one is my favorite. It's a bread slice with a face on it, and damn, he's squishy. Like, girl. This is a loaf bread squishy which has sprinkles on it, and I kept it in the bag because it's not that squishy and I don't want the sprinkles going everywhere, and it's pretty hard actually. The last one I pull out is this bread slice with sprinkles and some drizzle, and it's not that squishy. So now we're going into the bigger ones, which I only have 7 of. First one is this capybara sun, kind of like kiwi strawberry sandwich, I guess? I don't know, but it is so squishy. Lush bun with a wig face. It's squishy. And then I have this cell phone like stand-up bun with like the slices, or, not bun, sorry, loaf with a dead face in it, and it is squishy. Each individual slice is squishy. There's strawberry that I recently got. I didn't make a video on it because it was a small package, but it's cute and it's very detailed. It's squishy, but it's a medium-sized panda bun with a red bow, and it's slow rising. Girl, you slow rising. I pull is this blush bun with eyelashes and a big smile. And she is not that squishy, but she's fun. And the last big one I have is this hamburger bun with this like face, and it's slow rising. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. And I ordered a new package from, I don't think it's been good, but I'll check what the website is. I can't think of it right now. But I ordered a squishy package and it should be coming soon. So you'll see a video on that. And I'm gonna post a video next weekend, so look out for that. So subscribe and goodbye.